V9's Innovation Joint Stock Company established in September 2020, located in Lot 7, Gangdien Industrial Park, Trang Bom District, Dong Nai Province, Vietnam, with an initial charter capital of $12,500,000 to deliver best service and timely support. V9's innovation headquarter and smart production hub with VIC and GPMI are in Vietnam. Through the relentless efforts of each person, the goal of V9's corporation is to emerge as a reputable enterprise in the field of manufacturing EV powertrain systems, e-module, battery pack assembly, and charging systems. With pioneering aspirations and a sustainable investment strategy, V9's pledges the finest products, most affordable prices and best services, to customers around the world. Through dedication and effort, in 2020, we achieved ISO 9001-2015 certification for our quality management system. Our measurement room is equipped with modern, automated and standardized, delivering to customers the highest precision products with stable quality that meet requirements and improve product quality, enhancing customer satisfaction. The quality testing system is also equipped with environmental simulation machines to test the products such as thermal shock, temperature and humidity, IPX water resistance, dust resistance, vibration, salt spray, and more. V9's continuously monitors and immediately improves issues to meet requirements and provide the finest products to customers.
The Smart SST manufacturing collaboration system is implemented across our entire production line, ensuring optimal product cycle control, maintaining production stability, and ensuring the best possible product control. The rotor production line is equipped with state-of-the-art manufacturing machines and technology testing equipment such as 4-axis precision glue control technology. This advanced technology ensures precise control and distribution of adhesive with 3-axis accuracy. Automatic algorithm dynamic balance technology is an advanced technology in automatic dynamic balancing for machinery and equipment systems. Micron Grande analytical runout measurement technology, employing micron units for measurement. This technology is designed to accurately measure deviations in details.
Rapid magnetization technology using advanced methods. This technology helps create magnetism quickly, enhancing performance and high precision. The stator line is equipped with modern advanced equipment, automating more than 80% of the process, ensuring quick production progress tracking.
The 4D winding technology is implemented in the stator assembly line to optimize the winding and assembly of components. Non-solder melting paint spot welding technology is an advanced method for spot welding without using solder.
The motor line is equipped with modern, highly accurate testing equipment, helping to test and evaluate the motor most accurately. End-of-line test systems are equipment to do a final test on completed products to ensure that they have been assembled correctly and work within designated parameters. The controller production line is equipped with strict testing equipment, accurately evaluating and analyzing the controller, ensuring product safety before reaching consumers. High-end servo screw locking technology is a leading-edge technology for screw locking utilizing an advanced servo system. Programmable safety testing technology is a sophisticated system designed to perform flexible safety tests through programming. Differential pressure type air tightness detection technology is an advanced method for testing air tightness using the principle of differential pressure.